बनी एरिका फर्नांडिस। कोर्टयार्ड मैरियट मुंबई मिस कॉन्जीनियलिटी है प्राची मिश्रा। फेमिना मिस ब्यूटीफुल लिप्स का खिताब मिला सोनम पाची को और स्ट्रीक्स फेमिना मिस स्टाइलिश हेयर भी सोनम पाची ही बनी। डाबर गुलाबरी फेमिना मिस ग्लोइंग स्किन बनी वन्या मिश्रा। मेबेलिन न्यूयॉर्क फेमिना मिस कलोसल आइज का खिताब भी मिला वान्या को और भारतीय विद्यापीठ मिस फोटोजेनिक भी जीता वान्या मिश्रा ने। डाइट मंत्रा फेमिना मिस एक्टिव बनी शमता आंचल। लिबर्टी मिस रैंप वॉक बनी द स्टनिंग रोशेल राव। VLCC फेमिना मिस बॉडी ब्यूटीफुल का खिताब भी जीता रोशेल ने और गीतांजलि फेमिना मिस ग्लैमरस डीवा भी बनी रोशेल। फेमिना मिस डिवाइन थॉट्स बनी द गॉर्जियस फारा और सनोफी पास्टियर फेमिना मिस ब्यूटी फॉर हेल्थ 2012 भी बनी फारा और वीट फेमिना मिस ब्यूटीफुल लेग्स का खिताब भी जीता फारा ने और फाइनली लवासा फेमिना मिस वाइवेशियस का खिताब मिला इप्सिता पाटी को।
भाई तो मनीष कहां पे गया? मनीष,
वैसे आयुष्मान तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए जहां लड़कियां वहां मैं तो मैं यहां पहुंच गया हूं। इससे पहले कि हम टॉप 5 अनाउंस करें, सबसे पहले जरा इनसे पूछना चाहूंगा कैसा लग रहा है इस समय?
Very, very nervous. This could be the deciding point. So I really, really hope they say my name.
This is the deciding point. Okay, Ayushman, I think let's start with the first top 5 finalists.
let's move forward. Top 5 contestants are contestant number 13, Sana Khan. Contestant number 8, Prachi Mishra.
Ayushman, who's the next?
Next up we have contestant number 5, Ipshita Pati. Next one is from down south, contestant number 11, Rochelle Rao.
Right now, I'm sure कि इनके दिल की धड़कन कितनी ज्यादा तेज हो गई आयुष्मान, because there is only one place left और यहाँ पे हैं 6 contestant.
Contestant number 19, Chandigarh di Kudi, Vanya Mishra. Congratulations to you all for making this far. I'm sure you guys know what's going to happen now. So girls, आप में से कोई एक वॉक करेगी ये रैंप विद दैट coveted crown. इसका फैसला होगा एक और चैलेंज के बाद. आप सभी से एक सवाल किया जाएगा. One common question. Simple.
हाँ, सिंपल वैसे इतना है कि नहीं वो मैं इनको बता देता हूँ. Well, जवाब देने से पहले आप सबको उस साउंड प्रूफ बॉक्स के अंदर जाना होगा. फिर बारी बारी एक कंटेस्टेंट बूथ से बाहर आकर अपना जवाब देगी. बाकी के कंटेस्टेंट्स उस साउंड प्रूफ बॉक्स में ही रहेंगी जहां वो हेडसेट्स पहन के होंगी और उन्हें कुछ सुनाई नहीं देगा. नाउ इज इट सिंपल? आर यू रेडी?
I think Ipshita Pati, you stay there and rest of the lovely ladies, please go inside that awesome glass box. Ipshita, let's cool down a bit. You want to be a director, right?
Yes.
There is one director there. Rohit Shetty sir, क्या कहते हैं आप? उनकी blessings आपके साथ हैं. So Manish, go for the question.
Ipshita Pati, the question for you is, if you had a choice of creating 1,000 permanent jobs or feeding 1,000 starving children every day, which would you choose and why?
Firstly, I would say very good evening to everyone once again. Well, 1,000 jobs, of course, that is definitely one point where the children grow up and actually acquire that. But yes, right now, at the moment, I will choose to feed the 1,000 poor children who actually need food to grow up and shine for tomorrow. Thank you so much and have a great evening ahead. Thank you.
Next we have is contestant number 8, Prachi Mishra.
Ladies and gentlemen, beautiful Prachi Mishra.
The question for you, if you had a choice of creating 1,000 permanent jobs or feeding 1,000 starving children every day, which would you choose and why?
अगर मुझे ऑप्शन मिलता है कि मैं 1,000 जॉब क्रिएट करूं या 1,000 बच्चों को खाना खिलाऊं, तो मैं 1,000 लोगों को जॉब देना पसंद करूंगी. क्योंकि आप अगर किसी को जॉब दे रहे हैं, वो खुद का पालन पोषण कर रहा है, अपने परिवार का कर रहा है, तो इस तरीके से किसी को भूखे रहने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. तो बेहतर होगा कि हम सब कोशिश करें कि हम जितने हो सके उतने लोगों को एजुकेट करने की कोशिश करें और अपने देश को एक डेवलप्ड नेशन बनाएं. धन्यवाद.
Let's call on the next contestant, Rochelle Rao.
The beauty from down south, Rochelle Rao, ladies and gentlemen.
So the question for you, if you had a choice of creating 1,000 permanent jobs or feeding 1,000 starving children every day, which would you choose and why?
I think that the children are the future of our country, and yes, I would like to feed 1,000 children every single day. But on the contrary, I think that if I created 1,000 permanent jobs wherein an individual like me would benefit and their life would change, then I would empower that human being to in future be able to feed many more starving children on a regular basis, because someone has shown them a kind deed and it's transformed their life, and I'm sure that would be the obvious choice in this situation. So that's what I would do. Thank you.
Next we have is contestant number 13, Sana Khan.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sana Khan.
If you had a choice of creating 1,000 permanent jobs or feeding 1,000 starving children every day, which would you choose and why?
Good evening, everyone. I would choose 1,000 kids who are starving. I would give them food, give them everything, whatever they want, because I believe the children are the future for tomorrow. If you start educating them, I will try my best to help them, because I believe children are the future for tomorrow. And yes, they can bring the difference in tomorrow. I will make them independent. I will try my level best to make them independent and face the world on their own risk. Thank you.
Last but not the least, contestant number 19, Vanya Mishra. If you had a choice of creating 1,000 permanent jobs or feeding 1,000 starving children every day, which would you choose and why?
As we all know, little children are very innocent, and I think anybody's heart would melt seeing them. Honestly, very honestly, I would want to feed those 1,000 starving children. And not just that, because they're starving, I would even like to provide them with education so that this scenario doesn't repeat. They are capable enough to feed themselves and their families as well. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a big hand for our top 5 finalists.
हमें आगे बढ़ने से पहले उन लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहिए जिनकी वजह से आज हम यहाँ पर हैं. Associate sponsor as Crown and Jewelry partner Gitanjali, Associate sponsor as Footwear partner Liberty, co-partner Dabur Gulabari, Gulabon Sa Nikhar, Aesthetic grooming and cosmetology partner Enhance,
Hair color partner Streak, grooming partner Veet, what beauty feels like, healthcare partner Sanofi Pasture,
wellness partner VLCC,
technology partner HB.
तो रिजल्ट्स अनाउंस करने से पहले हम स्टेज पर इनवाइट करना चाहेंगे रेनिंग मिस इंडिया 2011 को. प्लीज वेलकम Pantaloons Femina Miss India International 2011 Ankita Shori.
Please welcome Pantaloons Femina Miss India Earth 2011 Hasleen Kaur.
Now please welcome Pantaloon Femina Miss India World 2011 Kanishta Thankar. This is the moment of truth.
Yes.
May I request Pantaloons Femina Miss India International 2011 Ankita Shori to step forward for the crowning.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we all have been waiting for. This has been a wonderful evening. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Pantaloons Femina Miss India International 2012 is contestant number 11, Rochelle Rao. Request Pantaloons Femina Miss India Earth 2011 Hasleen Kaur to please step forward for the crowning.
So ladies and gentlemen, a step closer. Pantaloons Femina Miss India Earth 2012 is contestant number 8, Prachi Mishra. Ladies and gentlemen, time for the most coveted crown. इन सब ने उसका सपना देखा होगा बचपन में. आज तक पूछती होंगी, when I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what would I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be intelligent? And will I ever become Femina Miss India? So may I request Pantaloons Femina Miss India World 2011 Kanishta Dhankar to step forward for the crowning.
All right, so this is it. They have been working really hard for that, and now one steps forward, the Femina Miss India World 2012. And let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, Pantaloons Femina Miss India World 2012 is contestant number
चलो ना गाए नए नए
May I now invite Miss Nitisha Agarwal, Head PR and Corporate Communication, Skoda Auto India, who would like to present the keys to a brand new Skoda Fabia. Title sponsors, Pantaloons. Associate sponsor as Crown and Jewelry partner Gitanjali. Associate sponsor as Footwear partner Liberty. Co-partner Dabur Gulabari, Gulabo Sa Nikhar. Aesthetic grooming and cosmetology partner Enhance.
Co-partner Bharatiya Vidyapeeth School of Photography. Nutrition partner Diet Mantra powered by Namita Jain. Hair color partner Street. Grooming partner Veet. What beauty feels like. Radio partner Radio Mirchi. Official hospitality partner Courtyard Marriott Mumbai. Healthcare partner Sanofi Pasture.
Maybelline New York, world's #1 makeup brand, the official makeup partner. Pantaloons Femina Miss India 2012, wellness partner VLCC. Gifting partner Portico. Auto partner Skoda. Destination partner Lavasa.
Location partner Goa, The Soul. Location partner Cochin, Carnoustie Beach Resort and Spa. Location partner Goa, Primabom. Location partner Goa, The Tito's. Handbag partner Lavi. Accessories partner Mona Shroff. Pantaloons Femina Miss India 2012 is powered by Divine Thoughts. Technology partner HP. When music is your passion, make yours an HP.
Reality series partner Zoom. Telecast partner Sony. Outdoor partner Bright. Partnership license partner Center Stage Entertainment. Event conceptualized and executed by Aditya Bhatt and team from Business of Ideas. Event managed by Fountainhead. Floral partner Florista. Fun partner Water Kingdom.
Special thanks to Femina Magazine.
Training and event photographer Farooq Jassawala. On-ground production Fountainhead Promotions and Events Private Limited. Set design and construction Kunal Bandola, Cosmos India. Stage and wardrobe management On-Q Productions.
All entertainment dance acts were choreographed by Shamak Dawar, and Mika's act along with judges' entry was choreographed by Swaroop.
Pantaloons Femina Miss India 2012, presented by Verizon, built so you can rule the air.